Hello, this is Alex from Hvac Plumbing here and Air Conditionings. Today we here in Clifton. We came out to a condenser that is not, the fan was not spinning. So we got Adam here, he just replaced the capacitor, 5 MFD for the motor. So, and we are gonna spray the condenser with some chemical cleanings because as you can guys see it's clogged. So we're trying to clear it so we can check the level of the Freon and make sure everything is working good. So after we sprayed the condenser with the chemical, now Adam is cleaning the coil. As you can guys see, look at the water, it's very filthy, very clogged. Adam is doing a hell of a good job.
We used all week a couple times to replace an old AC and a boiler unit. Called them out today to fix an AC that went down. Came out, Alex was great, fixed everything, changed the capacitor. Everything's perfect, running good. I'd use all week again.